Let's go do some knitting at Desert Holly Gully in Whitney, Mesa. At that bench right there. So we're now at Whitney Mesa Nature Preserve, and I've been out here exploring for a little bit. Getting some footage for my other YouTube channel, which is called Exploring with Christine, if you guys are interested. But I thought I would get a little clip while I'm here and cast on a new project. So yes, I did bring my yarn, but guys, I still need a tripod. I'm gonna have to order a tripod soon because I don't really have anywhere to set up my phone to film myself casting on. So look how close these airplanes are. Yeah, the airport is right near here. The Vegas airport. Where'd he go? Oh, he's already out of sight. But anyway, I'm sitting on a bench, so I couldn't jump up. Well, I guess I could have, but you know, I've got my bag in my lap and everything. I guess I could have jumped up and panned around, but let me show you guys where we're sitting right now. So yeah, like I said, this is Whitney Mesa Nature Preserve. And we are at this little bench. I've got my water with me, that's a must. Gotta stay hydrated when you're in the desert. But we're gonna cast on another dishcloth. So I'm gonna see if I can set my phone on the bench somehow, just to get cast on. So this will be started here. Here comes another plane, guys. We're gonna jump up this time. I tried to figure out a way to get up there to the top, but I literally chickened out because I don't have on good shoes right now. They don't have enough tread, and I don't want to fall. As you can see, that's pretty steep. So yeah, we don't want to fall down the cliffside. Guys, we're going to try to cast on while you are between my knees. That's not going to work. All right, we're casting on, guys. We're casting on at Whitney Mesa Nature Preserve to get my next dishcloth started. I know I'm crazy. So we're gonna get 4 stitches on the needle. There's 4. We're gonna turn and we're gonna knit. Knit 4, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. All right, we're ready to do our increases. What kind of increases should I do on this one? I think we're gonna knit 2, yarn over, and knit across. I just really like that dishcloth pattern. It gives you eyelets on the corners. I mean, all the way around the edges. Once again, we're gonna knit 2, do a yarn over, and knit across. I'm gonna do it one more time and then I'm gonna get up, guys, because I'm squatting next to the bench, and I will show you how I've got my phone set up here in a second. So we knit 2, we yarn over, and we knit across. And as you can see, we've got our first little eyelet showing up there. All right, guys, you want to know how silly I am? We've literally had you hanging off the edge of this bench. All right, we got our cast on going in the desert at Whitney, Mesa. Watching airplanes. But I think I'm gonna head back to the car. I've been out here exploring for a while. And like I said, if you guys want to see my exploring videos, you can find me on YouTube at Exploring with Christine. That's my other YouTube channel. And I shared a lot more of this location there if you guys are interested in seeing it. But I'm gonna head back to the car now. I'm thinking about stopping at a thrift store today, see if we can find any crafty stuff there. And then I've got to do some grocery shopping. Oh, almost lost my label. So I'm using creme de la creme, worsted weight cotton, 1 size 7 needles. I guess we could hashtag this knitting in nature. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you again in the next video. And if you can, get outside and do a little knitting in nature. Let me know where you guys do your knitting. See you next time. Bye.